I'm gonna show you the steps I have used when my laptop was stuck on loading screen in Windows 11. Make sure you follow all the steps I'm gonna show you in this video. First, press and hold the power button until your laptop shut down. And you have to follow the same procedure 2 to 3 times so that you will have automatic repair screen. Once you'll have that screen, select advanced options, then it will show you all of these options. Select troubleshoot, then advanced options. First, you can go with uninstall updates. Simply select it. Here you need to select uninstall latest quality update and simply click on uninstall quality update. This was the step which worked for one of my friend and he got his problem fixed. Other than this, you can try with a different step as well. You have to be on the same option screen, then click on command prompt. In here, you need to type SFC /scan now, then press enter. After running this command, you need to type the next command, that would be CHKDSK, check disk, then give a space, select your drive letter. It could be C drive, it could be D drive. The common drive everyone used to have is C drive. So simply type that in, then put semicolon, space, /F, then space, /R. Then press enter. Let it run. After running both commands, simply close the command prompt and click on continue. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.